Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD, affects millions of people worldwide. It can make it difficult to focus and stay organized, leading to problems at work, school, and interpersonal relationships. But there are ways to make life easier for people with ADHD. The first and foremost step for people with ADHD is to have a clear schedule and routine. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety and make it easier to focus on the task at hand. Having a consistent routine can also help to create a sense of predictability and stability, which can be especially important for people with ADHD who may struggle with impulsivity and organization. This can include developing a daily schedule and prioritizing your tasks. Breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps can also be helpful. This can make it easier to focus and stay on track, and can help to reduce the sense of overwhelm that many people with ADHD experience. It can also be helpful to break down larger projects into smaller tasks and set deadlines for each one. This will help you to stay focused and motivated, and will also make it easier to track your progress. Technology can also be a great tool for people with ADHD. There are a number of apps and programs available that can help with organization, time management, and focus. Some examples include Evernote, Todoist, and Rescue Time. These apps can help you to stay organized and on track, and can also provide you with helpful reminders and notifications. For example, Evernote is an app that allows you to create and organize notes, lists, and other information in one place. Todoist is an app that helps you to create and manage to-do lists, and Rescue Time is an app that tracks your computer usage so you can see how much time you're spending on different activities. In addition to practical accommodations, self-care can also be important for people with ADHD. Activities like yoga, meditation, and exercise can help to reduce stress, improve focus, and increase overall well-being. Regular exercise can help to improve your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Yoga and meditation can help to reduce stress and improve focus, and can also be beneficial for reducing impulsivity. It's important to have a support system when dealing with ADHD. Having a therapist or counselor can help you to understand your condition and develop coping strategies. They can also provide you with emotional support and guidance when you're feeling overwhelmed. Additionally, support groups can also be a great way to connect with other people who understand what you're going through and can provide you with support and encouragement. It's important to remember that everyone with ADHD is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to experiment with different strategies and accommodations to find what works best for you. Additionally, it's also important to be patient with yourself and remember that it may take some time to find the right strategies for you. In conclusion, with the right accommodations and self-care practices, people with ADHD can lead fulfilling and successful lives. Remember to take it step by step, and don't be afraid to seek out help and support when you need it. With the right tools and strategies, you can overcome the challenges of ADHD and live a happy, productive life. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to learn more about ADHD.